Hi everyone, I'm Angela from the Tech Teach Grow team with another tech tip of the week for you.
If you're looking for a way to quickly create documents that are customized for your class, this tech tip is for you. We're going to be using a tool in Canva called Quick Create. In order to do this, you first create kind of a template design, which you are more than welcome to search and find. This one right here was one I found. I have a spot for award name, who will be receiving the award, and then a description as to why they were getting it. You also need to have a list of your students with that information. I'm going to take this, has been built in Google Sheets for me, and I'm going to download it as a comma separated values or CSV. And it's saved right here. Then I'm going to come back to my Canva design that is ready to go. I click on the apps button and search for bulk create. The icon should look like this. Click bulk create. Then you upload your data. Then I'm finding that award list that I just downloaded. And now I'll see those different categories, the student name, the award name, and the reason for the award are listed here. I can now click on the different sections of my template, connect the data for award name. I want to connect award name. Where it says name, I want to connect student name. And this text, I want to be the reason for the award. When I have that ready to go, I click continue. You can look through and see which of the 25 students it's going to create. I'm going to go ahead and select all and then generate 25 designs. Quickly, it takes that copy and generates those. I can quickly go through to see if there's any formatting that I need to change on any of these. And I'm also ready to download the file as a PDF and send them off to print shop to be printed or print them on my computer in my school. I hope this saves you a little bit of time celebrating your students this year. Thanks.